Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 7th, 2020, and we're harvesting our cauliflower heads here. Now this is a snow crown cauliflower, and this is still from our spring plantings. We cut the heads up higher, and our cauliflower puts off multiple side shoots then for extra cauliflower heads. So we're getting these cut off here. And we already got this one here cut off. So you can see what we got so far. Now if they're starting to turn brown, you do have to take them off. And you can see this one here, we're starting to get a little brown there. A few defects in it, so it definitely had to come off of there. And there's still two more on there. And here's another cauliflower head there. Now that's one of the green cabbage worms there, and they will ruin plants. So there's some more on here that need to be. There's one there. And this here's another head of cauliflower here forming in here. Can't see it yet, but it is coming.
Good way to take these off is if you can pick them off. Do how you want to do them, get them off there.
Here. And there's some more heads forming down in these here. Well, this one has some here. This one has some here. Now these here, they have to come off because they have some brown in the tops of them there.
That can come from them.
And here's a pretty one. Whoops, hold on here. Down in here. Beautiful heads there. Now there is a caterpillar on there somewhere. And when the caterpillars eat the tops, they can actually turn them brown. So that's something that you have to watch out for. Now we don't spray our stuff with chemicals. If we have to spray it with anything, we use neem oil, and I'll put a link down in the description for the neem oil that we use. And it seems to work pretty well on them. So it's been a long time since these were sprayed. We were spraying them earlier in the season and during the summer, but when we really didn't see the butterflies around too much, we had stopped spraying. We thought, we were okay, but they're coming back, so gotta watch out for them. And this is one of the cabbages that we harvested the initial head off, and we let the we let the plants in the ground, and they produce the side shoots off that form little cabbages, and they'll actually they'll harden up for you, and then you can take them off and have a nice little miniature head of cabbage there then. You can see here, get the bad leaves taken off there. You have a nice little head of cabbage there.
They're great cooked.
And these are really sweet when they're cooked. Another thing you can do is if you're out of lettuce, you can use these in place of your lettuce. You just cut them up like a regular salad, and go ahead and put all your dressing and whatever else you want with your salad, and they taste really good with it. So this here is our broccoli plants. Now this is the Smart Snack hybrid broccoli, and again, this is from the spring sowings. We took the first heads off, and we just left the broccoli plants in. Now during the summertime, we kept harvesting the broccoli off, and you don't want to let it flower on you, because if it flowers, it will stop giving. So it produced these nice heads here, and now these are not going to be as big as what the initial heads were, but they're still nice broccoli heads there.
And this time of year, sweet.
Really nice for like broccoli salad or something. You put them in your salads. There's a nice head over there.
Does anybody want a little yellow tomato?
Not right now.
can see here. So he bunched them all together there, and that's the broccoli that we got off so far. So this is one of the heads of broccoli here that one of the Smart Snack hybrid broccoli plants produced. Now I couldn't find any information out actually about this plant when I did some research on it, if it would produce side shoots or not. So we left it go, and it produces very nice side shoots. So that's a plus for this variety. And we've been growing it for a few years now, and we are going to be keeping it. And here's another head over here. Now this one here was starting to get really long here. So it definitely had to come off. It was going to start trying to flower soon, and we don't want that to happen, so we went ahead and took it off. So this one here already had the second shoots taken off of it, and now it's producing multiple side shoots. So this is like the third harvest off of this, and even though they're little, they're still nice to eat. So you can put those in your salads, and or you can, you know, just take them and wash them off and eat them in like your veggie dip, or you can dip them in like sour cream or something like that, whatever you like to dip your vegetables in. So you can see where the original head of broccoli was cut off at, and it was cut off high, so all the side shoots could shoot off of it then and produce our extra heads of broccoli here. So this is what we got off so far, and we have a few more plants here, but this is great if you steam your broccoli and your cauliflower, and then you make your noodles for your macaroni and cheese, and then you just go ahead and put your cheese in with it. You can have like your macaroni and cheese with your vegetables. Really good. It's something I really enjoy making. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.